All right, everybody, just a quick update on the 56 Packard. This is the frame. Got it back from sandblasting, and we notice we have a lot of areas where the separation rusted. Rust got trapped in between there, and it started to warp it. So what we're going to do is we're literally going to cut all these pieces apart. All of these stiffeners are coming off, okay? So when they come off, what we're going to do is clean underneath them, just like this. Going to wire wheel that, grind it down, get all the rust out of there. Hit it with some weldable primer, make it clean. And then we're literally just going to rebuild it back together. Clamp it nicely, reposition everything, and put it back the way it should be. Get rid of the gaps, clamp everything, do maybe like right here, do maybe a few more stitch welds than it was from the factory or whatnot. But basically it's just making the frame good again. Just like right here, we have to refabricate these on both sides. It's actually rotted away, but this is a pretty good project actually. So rotted away areas, we rebuild them. Just a quick video update of that, and I'll do another video when we're further along. See you guys later.